Right, listen up you lot. Intersections. They're everywhere in Ontario, and they're full of drivers who don't know their indicators from their elbows. We're going to sort that out right now, because if you can't handle a simple turn, you shouldn't be allowed to drive a milk float, let alone a proper motor. Getting this right is about more than just passing your test. It's about not causing a shunt, about not making other drivers slam on their brakes and spill their Tim Hortons. It's about keeping those roads safe for proper drivers, so pay attention. Right turns first. Simple, right? Not so fast. Even turning right, you can make a right mess of things. First, get in the right lane. Signal your intentions. Use that blinky thing, it's not a decorative feature. Check your mirrors. Blind spots, remember? That little Peugeot you don't see can ruin your day. Now, look for pedestrians. Those squishy things with legs have right of way, always. No exceptions. Once it's clear, turn. Not too wide, mind you, and stay in your lane. Left turns. Now we're talking. This is where it gets tricky. Approach the intersection in the left lane, signal left. Yes, the other blinky light. Check your mirrors again. Twice. 3 times if you must. Look both ways for oncoming traffic. This is crucial. Ontario law says you must yield to oncoming vehicles. When it's clear, and only when it's clear, make your move. Don't cut corners. Aim for the middle of the lane you're turning into. So there you have it. Right turns, left turns. Not exactly rocket science, is it? Remember, these are just the basics. Ontario's roads can be a jungle, especially in Toronto. Stay alert, use your mirrors, and for heaven's sake, indicate. Drive like you have some sense, and remember, nobody wants to see you on Canada's worst drivers. Now off you go and don't make me come over there.